car?
I don't know.
Where'd you park it?
Hello.
Nana, turn around and put your cigarette in your mouth.
My car is all the way down there.
Girl, that's not your car. Better relax.
Don't walk into the street enough. Don't burn me with that shit. Stop it! Stop!
Where you?
Okay, where's my car?
I don't know, girl.
Don't be recording me. I'm going to kick your ass.
I'm not recording.
Stop.
I'm not.
Stop.
I promise I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Where's your car?
I don't have my car. I didn't bring my car.
We did bring your car.
No, we broke your mother's car.
No, we didn't.
Hey, you want to talk to Chad?
I do.
No.
I wouldn't talk to him.
My car.
Okay, my friend wants to
here.
talk.
Oh, God. Hallelujah.
Get off that car.
Hello. Hello.
I want to talk to him.
We did not bring my car.
Hello? Hi, are you Chad? Hi, I'm Alexis. I've been Erica's best friend since she popped out of the vagina. Yeah.
She popped out of her vagina.
She,
What the hell is that?
she popped out and she was talking and drinking and smoking. Bye, Chad.
Yeah.
What?
But
Yeah.
Nana, where's your car?
I have your mother's car.
No, we didn't bring my mom's car.
Say hi to Chad.
No.
Why not?
Because I don't freaking feel like it.